put it in a bag. Yep, a giant bag. Giant bag, not a physically giant bag. That is a lot more yellowed. That's a lot more yellow than mine. However, this one's different. Remember this one from years ago? But this one's got battery comes to the back. This one has no label. Or maybe there was one here. It's gone now. That could be. You can again see how yellowed it is. So this one, the cover comes off. And this one, I guess it comes off, but you know, you're meant to put the battery in that way. Yeah, you just pull the cover off like this. Little rear back. Cool. That's actually in pretty good shape too. A little bulged, but there's your model number. When they made this console, you know, Olympic? I thought that was a railback, but that's not right. That wasn't right. Wow. I'm going to keep this thing. Yeah, they made this game console called the Wonder Wizard. Based on I think it was the Odyssey 3000. And of course this one was based on the GSNA detector. So now, power it up. See how high pitched it is. You remember this one? It's like pitch of a microwave. See? Uh-oh. Bad battery. So, let's hear what this one sounds like then. If I can grab the battery connector. Well, you heard it. It's a little higher pitched than that one. Okay. It's weird. It's making a weird noise. Trying to clean out the sensor. More of the pitch of Baltimore Alarms and Fans one. Except the LED doesn't come on. Okay. Yeah, it goes again. Weird. Interesting. Well, I said the back of this one, it has those 4 circular holes there. You can see them in the label there. Again though, this one has the back. The battery comes with the back, while this one doesn't. Alright. Now let's give it a smoke test. Is it going to be that sensitive that it's just going to go off from the air current? little oversensitive. And something's wrong with the piezo. Still pretty cool though. I still like it. Choose that part of the horn with the bottom part of the sensor. Again, the LED's not working. LED's not working. That's the test contacts. There's no UL listing on it. Unless maybe that was on the back label. Like this one. Yeah, false alarm prone. I mean, just blowing into it. That was a very light breath. And that was just my normal exhalation. The battery cover off, or the battery disconnected. Still pretty cool. I'll show you the sensor here. Didn't come with the manual or the box or anything. Came from a fire department display. Like other alarms that were in there was the SS718, the Smoke Guard 700, and there was a AC powered Sears and 76RS. If only there was a CD400A in there. You know, with this one, that screw is inaccessible from over here. You have to use that paper template like what came from this one, or with this one. This one's pretty cool too, of course. I like how it's kind of got these baffles, if you will. Usually baffled, but yeah, it's pretty cool. There's your horn. Got resonant chamber there. It's dirty. Like I said, I'll probably clean it up in a bit. Okay, I forgot about this cover here. That's the test contact there. Might put the little pins right there, I believe. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching.